Chapter 6. The Junk Seller. Introduction. Have you ever met a junk seller? A woman who sells junk. This is a true story told by Kiran, who has a junk shop in Patna. Kiran says, I studied in a Hindi medium school in my village. My father wanted girls to study like boys. I loved Hindi and science, but I hated maths. Today, maths is most useful for my work. I could never imagine this in school. What about you? Do you also find maths difficult? Self-study. Kiran says, when I was young, my father died in an accident. So, my mother worked as a servant in some houses. We had a difficult time. I had to leave school after class 8. I wanted to study more, but my mother got me married. My husband's family lived in a mud house. His 2 brothers and his sister did not go to school. He had a tea stall. Example. If a person who runs a tea stall earns rupees 30 in a day, how much money will he earn in 10 days? How much will he earn in 1 month? Solution. If a person who runs a tea stall earns rupees 30 in a day, so to find how much will he earn in 10 days? We will multiply 30 and 10 and we get rupees 300. To know the amount he earns in 1 month, multiply 30 and 30. We get rupees 900. Note, if the month has 31 days, multiply 30 and 31. Loan. Kiran says, I thought of starting my own business. I thought I should open a bangle shop or a tailor shop. But my uncle said that we could earn a lot by opening a junk shop. In 2001, my mother-in-law and I opened a junk shop. We took a loan of rupees 8,000 for the shop. Loan or amount borrowed from a person. Kiran says, people laughed and teased us about our work. They called it as a shabby, dirty work or dirty business. But I did not think so. I knew this idea would work. Now we have a good house with electricity. We have a fridge, a TV and a gas stove. My husband's brothers, sister and also my daughter go to school. I have 9 rickshaws of my own. I give the rickshaws on rent, each for rupees 20 a day. On Sundays, I do not take any money for them. Example. How much does Kiran earns from 9 rickshaws in a day? Solution. To find the answer to this question, multiply 20 by 9 and the answer is rupees 180. We can find the answer by a different method. 9 multiplied 2 times is 18 and 9 multiplied 20 times is 180. Or 20 into 10 is equal to rupees 200 is the rent for 10 rickshaws. We will subtract the rent for 1 rickshaw. It means 200 minus 20 is equal to rupees 180. Self-study. Solve orally. Do the multiplication orally and find the answers. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. To find 20 into 6, first we multiply 2 and 6. We get 12 to 0 means a 0 is added to 2. And this means we add 1 0 to 12 and get the answer 120. To find 2 into 60, first we multiply 2 and 6. We get 1260 means a 0 is added to 6. And this means we add 1 0 to 12 and get the answer 120. 3 into 42. Here 42 is equal to 40 plus 2. Now 3 into 42 is equal to 3 into 40 plus 3 into 2 is equal to 120 plus 6 is equal to 126. Self-study. Kiran says, I have my own small junk shop. I buy junk from junk collectors. They go from house to house and bring junk on hand carts. I then sell it at a big shop. How much to pay for this junk? Kiran has bought some junk from junk collectors. Look at the next page, the rate list to see today's rate. Help Kiran to find out the cost of the junk. Example. If the cost of 1 kg newspaper is rupees 15, then how much will Kiran pay for 31 kg of newspaper? Solution. 1 kg newspaper costs rupees 15. To find the cost of 31 kg of newspaper, first find the cost of 30 kg. Rupees 15 into 30 is equal to rupees 450. Now, in this add the cost of 1 kg of newspaper. That is, rupees 450 plus rupees 15 is equal to rupees 465. So, for 31 kg, she pays rupees 465. Example. If the cost of 1 kg newspaper is rupees 15, then how much will Kiran pay for 42 kg of newspaper? Solution. 1 kg newspaper cost rupees 15. To find the cost of 42 kg of newspaper, first find the cost of 40 kg, then we find 2 kg. Rupees 15 into 40 is equal to rupees 600. And rupees 15 into 2 is equal to rupees 30. That is, rupees 600 plus rupees 30 is equal to rupees 630. So for 42 kg, she pays rupees 630. Self-study. Smart Kiran sells the junk. Kiran sells her junk to a big shop. She checks the prices on her mobile phone and sells only when she gets a good price. Today she has gone to sell plastic, newspaper, iron, and brass at Dinu's big shop. Dinu weighs 32 kg iron, 4 kg brass, 152 kg newspaper, 63 kg plastic. Here is the rate card of Dinu's shop. Example. If the rate of 1 kg plastic is rupees 11, how much will Dinu pay for 63 kg plastic? Solution. Remember, You used boxes to multiply two numbers in class 3. First, split 63 in two parts, which is 60 and 3. Now split 11 in two parts, which is 10 and 1. So multiplying 60 by 10, we get 600. Then multiplying 3 by 10, we get 30. Multiplying 1 by 60, we get 60. Multiplying 3 by 1, we get 3. Now add all the answers. Sum of all the answers is 600 plus 60 plus 30 plus 3 is equal to 693, isn't it? Second method. 11 into 63 is equal to 63 multiplied 11 times. 60 multiplied 11 times is equal to 660. Our answer will be more than 660, but the answer will be less than 700, as 60 multiplied 11 times is equal to 660 and 3 times 11 is equal to 33. Sum of 660 and 33 is equal to 693. So, Dinu will pay rupees 693 for 63 kg plastic. Kiran bought 1 kg plastic for rupees 10, but sold 1 kg plastic for rupees 11. On selling 1 kg plastic, she earned rupees 1. So, when she sold 63 kg plastic, she earned rupees 63. Example. Kiran sells 32 kg iron and cost of 1 kg iron is rupees 24. How much money will Dinu pay for 32 kg iron? Solution. Cost of 1 kg iron is rupees 24. Cost of 32 kg iron will be 32 multiplied with 24. First, split 32 in two parts, which is 30 and 2. Now split 24 in two parts, which is 20 and 4. So multiplying 30 by 20, we get 600. Then multiplying 2 by 20, we get 40. Multiplying 30 by 4, we get 120. Multiplying 2 by 4, we get 8. Now, add all the answers. Sum of all the answers is 600 plus 120 plus 40 plus 8 is equal to 768. Dinu will pay rupees 768 for 32 kg iron. Example. 37 into 18. First, find the answer mentally and then multiply it. Solution. If we try to calculate the answer, then it is less than 40 into 20. Come on, let's check it using multiplication. First, split 37 in two parts, which is 30 and 7. Split 18 in two parts, which is 10 and 8. So, multiplying 30 by 10, we get 300. Then multiplying 7 by 10, we get 70. Multiplying 30 by 8, we get 240. Multiplying 8 by 7, we get 56. Now, add all the answers. Sum of all the answers is 300 plus 240 plus 70 plus 56 is equal to 666. So, our answer was correct. Self-study. Fill my diary. Kiran bought some junk from the junk collectors. She paid them rupees 841. She sold the junk at Dinu's big shop, and Dinu gave her these notes and coins. 6 notes of rupees 100, 3 notes of rupees 50, 7 notes of rupees 20, 6 notes of rupees 10, 8 notes of rupees 5, and 4 coins of rupees 1. Kiran wrote the record in her diary. 11 March 2018. Money which I got is equal to rupees 600 plus rupees 150 plus rupees 140 plus rupees 60 plus rupees 40 plus rupees 4 is equal to rupees 994. Money which I paid, rupees 841. Now, money which I earned will be greater amount minus smaller amount is equal to rupees 994 minus rupees 841 is equal to rupees 153. Kiran got rupees 153. What we have learned. Finding a solution to a given example using orally multiplication. What is loan? Multiply 2-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers. Finding solutions to practical examples of rupee and paisa with the help of multiplication and addition.